In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Cash App account without a social security number and explain what features are available without verification. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. When you first download Cash App, you can create a basic account without entering your social security number. During the sign-up process, Cash App usually only asks for your phone number or email address, zip code, and some basic account information. So yes, it is possible to set up a Cash App account without an SSN at the beginning. However, unverified accounts come with limitations. You can only send and receive a limited amount of money within a 30-day period before Cash App asks you to verify your identity. If you want access to additional features like the Cash App card, direct deposit, Bitcoin, stock investing, or higher transaction limits, Cash App will eventually require identity verification. This usually includes your full legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. So while you can create and use a basic Cash App account without an SSN for a limited time, there is currently no official way to fully verify and unlock all features without completing the verification process. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.